good day. This video is a live that we're going to take off from Rome. Our flight destination is Singapore with our chartered owner flight for ALITALIA is about to begin. Let's proceed. As we're going to be on the cold and dark on the startup, so we may begin now our power to communicate. Yeah, external power. And then what we're going to do to initiate all those necessary for our startup, especially for documentation for a while. Alright, let's file a documentation for our charterer. To file a flight plan. Let's proceed to file a flight plan, that is the call sign and the flight rules. Type of flight is nothing, it's just a normal flight. Our aircraft is 748. There you are. And expected departure aerodrome is Fiumicino in Rome, Italy. Fiumicino. Okay, our cruising speed could be 450 knots. Our level going to the east, RSPS, should be odd number, so we could maximize our flight level to 410. Alright, and then the route that we're going to take, let's look at our route finder. Starting from LRRF, which is Fiumicino, and Singapore Changi Airport is WSSS. There you are. Let's see. Okay, Fiumicino, Rome, Singapore Changi. Okay, LRF, our original aerodrome. The first waypoint after our standard departure is Okuno, and followed by airways and waypoint. And the last waypoint is very important, that we need to take this as the last waypoint to be with our. The last waypoint will be Arama, to be with entering the star, which is standard instrument arrival. So all of these information are our flight route, so we can copy all of this and insert it on our flight plan. There you are. And then our flight route is already edited and entered. Our destination is Singapore, which is Whiskey Sierra Sierra Sierra, while our alternate airport is the same in Singapore, Whiskey Sierra Sierra, okay, Selatar. which is the alternate airport. Okay, and then that's it for our flight plan. Okay, we sent for approval. Departure aerodrome is not available. Alright, then the error is there. It's double foxtrot. Now we have amended it already. Request to send again. There you are. It's approved already. A 12 hours flight, 12.3 estimated. Started reporting right now. So start reporting right now. Could be a timer of every 30 minutes, sorry. So let's start and see what else we need to be done outside. Yes, okay, then we will ask for ground assistance. Clearance for our departure.
QMA clearance delivery Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy IFR to Singapore, ready to copy.
Also our
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
flight
Tango
information that
0419er Heavy
required.
is cleared to Singapore Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 25 climb and maintain 9,000 feet.
9,000 feet initial
Departure
climb,
frequency is
but we're going to
130.9er squawk
insert already
2516.
our flight plan, the flight level. Okay,
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy cleared to Singapore Airport is filed. Takeoff runway 25 climb and maintain 9,000 feet.
Okay.
Departure on 130.9er squawk
Heading, runway heading.
2516.
Okay,
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
this
0419er Heavy
was
readback
our
is correct.
vertical speed,
Contact ground on 122.125 when ready to taxi.
1,800 feet per second. Alright, and then auto throttle is up, flight director is on, and then vertical navigation is already on. Let's see. As we have already requested ground services, may as well we are ready now for our passenger to get in.
QMA ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, could you please connect the jetway to the aircraft?
Jetway will be
Philippine Delta
connected.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, the jetway is going to be connected.
Yes, the gateway will be connected at gateway 9. And then of course fuel
QMA ground
supply.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, could you please send a fuel truck?
Fuel truck will be
Philippine Delta
requested.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, a fuel truck is on the road.
Alright, what a beautiful airport is Rome, no? Rome International Airport. And the baggage.
QMA ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, could you please send the baggage?
Philippine
Baggages.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy baggage is on the way.
Alright, we go our catering
QMA ground
services.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, could you please send the catering truck?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, the catering truck is on the road.
Catering truck. And while we are waiting for fuel, to come, let's proceed our start up of our cockpit. Alright, then we need to power up the generator. APU. While doing this, we need to lightings, especially our beacon lights, that people on the ground should know that we are on board already and operating. Okay, let's go down to our initial what you call no smoking and passenger seatbelt while we are checking up our procedure for takeoff. RTO is for our reject takeoff because we are going to use the toga takeoff and go around system. Alright, then our altimeter will be set to 0 for our elevation, while our air radar range would be in the maximum. So that's it, then we are ready so far. Everything is set and ready. Let's proceed. Request for taxi. We are ready and fuel
QMA
is
ground
already
Philippine
on
Delta
board.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy with Kilo ready to taxi IFR.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
Yeah, the fuel
0419
truck is
heavy
still there.
taxi 2 and hold short of runway 25 via taxiway November Golf
Okay.
November Bravo Bravo Bravo.
Fuel truck
Contact
is
tower on 127.625
disconnected
when ready.
already from our aircraft. Thank you for the fuel. Acknowledge the taxi.
Taxiing hold short runway 25 using taxiway November Golf November Bravo 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 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Alright, then we request for a pushback. Runway
QMA ground
25.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy requesting pushback.
So we have to have
Philippine Delta
our
Foxtrot Tango
guide
0419er heavy
for our
pushback
taxi.
request accepted.
Okay, pushback now is working, and as soon as we get the visual on our taxiway, then we can request pushback to stop, and we'll proceed on taxi on our own. Okay. There you are. Pushback is up already. Steer the aircraft to the left. The generator is not on yet.
QMA ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy requesting the end of pushback.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy request to end pushback received.
Okay, then we have to start our initial engine. Alright, towing truck already disconnected. let's see our engine to start. APU is available now. So let's start first our engine number 2 and 3, followed by the fuel flow of engine 2 and 3, and monitor activation of engine 2 and 3 is there. Alright, then we're ready. Engine 2 and 3 now, followed by engine 1 and 4. Also flow of fuel control for 1 and 4 is up already. Alright, our flaps 10, and we may proceed to our taxi to gate to runway 25 for our takeoff. Yes. Let's disconnect now our APU, which our engine now is the main engine of the aircraft is providing power for now. So let us consider checking all of the possible way now. Window heat is on, the icing is all in auto, much better in auto, you know what I mean, because on auto the engine itself, the automation of the icing will be on if needed. Okay, 2 kilometers whoop, 2 kilometers 20 knots per kilometer, 20 knots per hour speed, taxi speed. See, ALITALIA 747 on the taxi to runway 25 for flight Rome to Singapore. Okay, report. Let's check everything. It's okay. Everything all right. Engine parameters, that's fine. Still taxi. 748 or 747-800 series on a taxi to runway 25 for takeoff for flight Rome to Singapore, Changi International Airport. As we are here now on our runway 25, we need to request a clearance now for takeoff. Ready, clearance for takeoff. Send report.
Tower Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy at runway 25 ready for departure IFR to Singapore.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, altimeter 29.901, wind calm. Cleared for takeoff runway 25.
Okay, we are cleared to
Cleared for takeoff runway 25 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Let's go. Lord be with us. Thank you very much, Lord. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. Our takeoff procedure will be utilizing or using TOGA, takeoff go around system that automatically the aircraft will accelerate when it needs or to reverse when it does need. Okay. Center of the aircraft. Alright, we are in the center. Takeoff, TOGA button on. Let's monitor the activity. There you are, it's coming up, then proceed. Goodbye for now. ALITALIA for takeoff on runway 25. Landing gear up.
Tango 0419er Heavy, contact Rome. Departure on 130.9er. Good day.
Command pilot is on.
Going to 130.9er Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Flaps full extracted, 0 degrees. that is Pomochino on our rear view.
Rome departure Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy is at 2,800 feet, climbing 9,000
Flight
feet.
level 3,600, speed of 250.
Heavy long departure altimeter 29.901 continues as
Altimeter
planned.
2991.
Rome departure Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Okay, we proceed
Request
with
flight
our
level
lateral
270.
navigation. Button is on.
Philippine
And
Delta
we'll see the
Foxtrot
function of it
Tango
will be
0419er
like
heavy climb and maintain
we
9,000
are
feet.
going to
Expect
proceed.
flight level 270.
We are going to proceed to our pairs waypoint.
Climb and maintain 9,000 feet. Expect flight level 270 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Beautiful ALITALIA.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact Rome Center on 131.1. Good day.
Okay, as you will see on our radar, we are now proceeding to our flight plan FAT to Singapore.
131.1 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy. Rome Center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy is passing 10,300 feet, descending 9,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy Rome Center altimeter 30.15. Continue as planned.
Rome Center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy. Request flight level 370.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy descent and maintain 9,000 feet. Expect flight level 370.
Descend
Okay,
and
we are
maintain
clear to
9,000 feet. Expect
370.
flight level 370 Philippine Delta Foxtrot
But
Tango
while
0419er
doing
Heavy.
this, let's configure our FMC, which we did not do it on the ground. So our airport reference will be Lima, India, Rome, Foxtrot. That is Pomochino. Our GPS coordinates right now, copy and paste it for our IRS. And origin Rome, destination Singapore Changi. On the flight level 410, enter, yes. Our thrust limit will be 87.9 N1. And let's see our route.
0419er heavy, please expedite your descent 9,000 feet.
Our routing could be, let's see what is happening outside. Okay, we are almost on 20,000 feet above Italian airspace. So let's continue configuring our FMC. Flight management computer, and would like to look on our route. What could be our route now? Arama is there. So Arama, our last waypoint. Just enter our last waypoint is enough. That the GPS will
Philippine
guide
Delta
us
Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, please expedite your
Arama.
descent 9,000 feet.
and then execute. And then our arrival, which is the arrival airport recommended is 20 Charlie. Yes, 20 Charlie on Changi Airport. And followed by the transit waypoint after the star, which is standard instrument arrival. Let's see, our flight plan is there. Navigational radio
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
or
0
the frequency are there on the ILS 20 Charlie with the frequency 109.7 and approach reference 183 knots because we are still full fuel. We will going to amend it later on. Then that's it for our FMC. Then we start our clearance for
Rome Center,
new
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
IFR
0419er Heavy would like to change
plan.
destination to Singapore.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy is cleared to Singapore Airport as filed. Squawk 2516.
Flight 25, acknowledge 2516.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy cleared to Singapore Airport as filed. Squawk 2516.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, read that correct.
This is a live flight that we are doing.
Following heading 090, resume on navigation descent and maintain 13,000 feet.
Okay. We acknowledge it.
Continue to Arama turning and following heading 090, resume on navigation descent and maintain 13,000 feet. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Request to increase our flight plan by
Rome Center,
flight
Philippine
level.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy. Request flight level 190.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy descent and maintain flight level 230. Expect flight level 190.
Okay.
Descend and maintain
190.
flight level 230. Expect flight level 190. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
So increase again. Our
Rome Center,
flight
Philippine
plan
Delta Foxtrot
is
Tango
410.
0419er Heavy. Request flight
Our
level
flight
290.
level. Flight level 410.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy descent and maintain flight level 290.
Okay. Then request
Descend
again.
and maintain flight level 290. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Request again at 290 plus 10,000 is
Rome Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot
390.
Tango 0419er Heavy. Request flight level 390.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy climb and maintain flight level 390.
okay. 390. Let's
Climb and maintain flight
request
level 390.
2,000 more
Philippine Delta
because
Foxtrot
our flight
Tango
level on our
0419er
plan
Heavy.
is 410. So let us request for 2,000.
Rome
2,000
Center,
more.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy. Request flight level 410.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy climb and maintain flight level 390. Expect flight level 410.
All right, 410. We are already
Climb and maintain flight
on
level
our flight
390.
level
Expect flight
410.
level 410. Philippine Delta
And-
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
It was cleared already. So then what we do is just maintaining the cruise level, and let's put up all these lights first because it need to be done earlier right after takeoff. But my co-pilot is sleeping. He's taking a rest. I mean, sorry. All right, then what we need to do is to monitor along the way we are now on a cruise stage. So climbing up from current 37,000 feet at the speed of 265 knots, but the true airspeed is 478 knots, while our ground speed, if to detect, is 517. Okay, so we are in good shape, waiting only for the flight level to be on the 41,000 or flight level 410.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
Alright,
Tango
here we
0
go.
419
So-
heavy climb and maintain flight level 410.
We are cleared on 410.
Climb and maintain flight level 410 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Let's see, we are in the vicinity of northern Italy, heading 9080 degrees, heading east. Heading east. Okay. Alright, then you will hear the engine is slowing down, because we are about to reach our peak, 410. Yeah, you hear that one? You hear the activation of the engine, meaning the engine is on idle after reaching the flight level 410. And to maintain that speed through our autopilot and lateral and vertical navigation functions, and this is our current status. 4240 is our current speed, while true airspeed is 466 knots, while ground speed is 502. So then we'll not take much of this flight, because it is a 12-hour flight, no? Then I'll see you on the far east side, on around Singapore
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
Peninsula.
Tango 0419er heavy contact. Vicinity center on 129.775. Good day.
Going to 129.775 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Okay, let's what we do is to just send the latest pilot reporting, and we will going to proceed to our destination. See you there. Okay, welcome back. We are now on a descent and over Malaysia, on the responsibility of ATC from Kuala Lumpur. Let's contact Kuala Lumpur to
Kuala
give
Lumpur Center
our
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
courtesy
Tango
call.
0419er Heavy is passing 10,400 feet, descending 9,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Kuala Lumpur Center altimeter 29.84. Continue as planned. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. You are 50 miles west. Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect VOR DME runway 20 center approach by a nylon transition. Clear to nylon.
Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect for DME runway 20 center approach via nylon transition. Cleared to nylon. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy descend and maintain 3,000 feet.
Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Alright.
Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
3,000 feet. Alright, while we are doing this, let us prepare for our approach to land at Changi International Airport. Auto brake is on. The speed brake is armed. Okay, and our let's see our what you call the arrival. ILS runway 20 Charlie.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Then we
heavy.
proceed.
Please expedite your descent 3,000 feet.
Our thrust is for 142 now. Approach reference for our flaps at 142 knots, 30 degrees. 40 nautical miles for our destination. Alright, 40 nautical miles. While we are descending at 3,000 feet, right level 250.
Scooter 426 climb and maintain flight level 220.
Flight level 3,000 to request. I mean to say we've been asked to level up to 3,000 at the speed of 250.
Climb and maintain flight level 220. Scooter 426.
Enable now our approach mode of radar reference. As you will see now, we are now on a right foot for our descent. feet. Let's speed up our descent. Spoiler activated. Speed brake is on.
Firefly tree 123
To
climb and maintain flight level tree 40.
decelerate our aircraft to the 3,000 feet for our
Philippine Delta
elevation
Foxtrot Tango
reference
0419er heavy
flight
contact.
level.
Singapore approach on 126 decimal tree.
Okay, Singapore approach.
Going to 126 decimal tree Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Okay, looking at like
Climb
we are
and
nose
maintain
down
flight level
because our speed brake is on. Our spoiler is activated at 9,000 feet to reach 3,000 feet before the deceleration point.
0419er heavy is passing 8,600 feet, descending 3,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy Singapore approach altimeter 29er decimal 83. Continue to nylon as planned.
Okay, I think now we can put the spoiler down. Spoiler down at 4,000 feet to normalize our flight level. And again, we need to arm the spoiler for our landing procedure. There you are. Okay. So what we are now, we are just waiting for our last waypoint to align our aircraft to runway 20. runway 20 for our course heading will be 200. Right, set our flight heading to the runway heading of approximate 200. Okay, while the auto bank limit will be automatic. Go with automatic. Yes, automatic now. The speed level is 250 at 24,000 nautical miles to Changi Airport. Now aligning our aircraft as per our flight star line. Standard arrival procedure. On 3,000 feet at 250 knots, we have now to reduce our speed. Reduce to 190. Okay, 190 speed. Changi is to 22 nautical miles. ALITALIA airline from Rome to Singapore, direct flight. Okay, our speed now requires us
Philippine
to
Delta Foxtrot Tango
activate
041
our
heavy.
flaps.
You are 300 feet below your assigned altitude. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet altimeter 29.84.
Yes, altimeter 2984. Acknowledge.
Climb and maintain 3,000 feet Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
We are now on 20 nautical miles to Changi International Airport. Activate the approach button. Approach mode button. Yes. Approach mode button is up. While we are looking at to catch up the glide slope at 3,000 or 2,000 feet. Okay, the details of the airport now on our FMC has been detected and it is displayed already here. Alright, ILS frequency and the distance plus the ILS runway information. And activating now the what you call localizer to align our aircraft to the runway, and it would appear the glide slope. once it is detected. Let's proceed on 2000. The flight level comfortably that we're going to catch the glide slope of runway 20 center. Here we are, turning right, and the radio frequency signal is on the frequency 2402370. Okay. Hope everything is alright. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. In Jesus Christ's name. Amen. So, another flight plan we need to do.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, you are 900 feet below your assigned altitude. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet altimeter 29.84.
Yes, I know that.
Climb and maintain 3,000 feet Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy descend and maintain 2,000 feet.
Thank you.
Descend
are
and
now
maintain
on a
2,000 feet
good,
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
position.
0419er Heavy.
Glide slope diamond icon appeared already, as you will see from here. Just waiting for us to be in the glide slope path that it will be activated, and the localizer to be on our line, in line with our airport runway. Now 70 nautical miles, Changi, runway 20. Here we come. All lights are on, landing lines, outbound, inbound. So just waiting for our activation of our glide slope. We are prepared for landing. At 190 speed, flaps (10 degrees), 14 nautical miles. Nautical miles should, we can say, a good view to put on now landing gear. There you are, the landing gear, very nice. There you are, landing gear already.
2,500.
On the 12 nautical miles, landing gear is down and waiting for our clearance. And on or about 8 nautical miles, glide slope will be activated automatically. Look at our localizer. We are already in the middle, aligned with the runway, where the glide slope will be activated shortly on the 8 nautical miles. Here goes 9 nautical miles. glide slope will be intercepted. Yes,
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0.
glide slope already intercepted. You see this solid pink of diamond icon of this is the glide slope, and we are about
Tower
given
on
a
134
clear to
decimal
land
35
signal.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
All right, to Singapore Tower.
Singapore Tower Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy 8 miles northeast inbound for DME runway 20 center approach.
Okay, glide slope activated. Here we are.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy Singapore Tower.
Distance measuring
Altimeter
equipment.
29.83 wind
Clear
160
VOR.
at 6. Cleared VOR DME runway 20 center approach.
VOR, but we are in IFR.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Follow the generic on final. Wind 160 at 6. Cleared to land runway 20 center.
All right, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 20 center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
But there is still one aircraft in front of us. We are number 2. Let's see. So watch out for a go around.
$1,000.
1,000. Auto throttle is
400. 300.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Go around.
oh, go around. All right, go around. Gear up.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact. Singapore approach on 126.3. Good day. Cebu 813 exit runway when able. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Did you copy?
Yeah, I'm copy. I
Cebu
copy.
813 contact ground on
copy.
125.65.
Okay.
126.3 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
What we are now
125.65 for Cebu 813.
is we are advised to go around. So we take around and take another procedure to land because one aircraft there block our way to land. So follow our go around procedure. Again, let us start the go around procedure.
Singapore approach generic Tango Mike November 11 is missed approach at Singapore.
Let's say Singapore
Generic
Airline on
November
runway
11 climb and
20
maintain
still.
7,000 feet.
20 Charlie. Execute. Alright, and then we find ourselves now again. To execute our second attempt to
Singapore
land.
approach Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy is passing 2,000 feet, descending 1,200 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy Singapore approach altimeter 29.85. Continue as planned. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. You are 10 miles south. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect VOR DME runway 20 center approach via nylon transition. Cleared to nylon.
Okay. So what we do now is to proceed to our
Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect your DME runway 20 center approach via nylon transition. Cleared to nylon. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
all right. As we have been advised to go around, so the same we have to follow procedure on our attempting for second landing sequence. So we are now at 3,000 feet as advised. Speed of 211. We can increase the speed. Increase the speed. 250. Speed 250. Flaps 10. That is the runway, but we need to go around on our flight path. See, Changi Airport and the Singapore airspace where we are, just turning around for our preparation to land on runway 20 Charlie. Let's see.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy traffic is 9 o'clock per mile at 6,800 feet generic. Report them in sight.
Traffic on site.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy traffic in
Alright.
sight.
Changi Airport is on our right. There you are, down below. On our 3 o'clock. But we need to go around for our landing preparation. As you will see
Generic
here,
November 11, you are 5 miles northwest.
our
Descend and
guide.
maintain 5,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 20 right approach via IDNAP transition.
Our
Clear
guide
to IDNAP.
for runway
Generic November 11
20.
descend and maintain 3,500 feet.
Okay, let's wait. 3,000.
Descend and maintain 3,500 feet. Expect ILS runway 20 right approach via IDNAP transition. Clear to IDNAP generic November 11. Generic November 11 traffic is 2 o'clock 3 miles at 3,200 feet Boeing B748. Report them in sight. Generic November 11 traffic in sight. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy descent and maintain 2,000 feet.
Okay, we are advised to descend 2,000 feet.
Descend and maintain 2,000 feet. Philippine Delta
Let's
Foxtrot
see.
Tango 0419er heavy.
2,000 feet. descend 2,000 feet. Let us recheck our what you call landing procedure.
Generic November 11 descend and maintain
All everything is
2,500
set.
feet.
Yeah, everything is set and ready again to land the second time around.
Descend and maintain 2,500 feet. Generic November 11. Generic November 11. You are 11 miles north of Singapore. Contact Singapore Tower on 118.25 when inbound on the approach.
Okay, we are above Malaysian Singapore border.
Tower on 118.25 generic
Ready
November 11.
anytime to take right turn to intercept our runway heading with glide slope. Just waiting for a preparation to land 16 nautical miles away from Changi Airport, and it's ready to land after the glide slope. Video is already 1 hour and 7 minutes. I hope it will not last long. Okay, turning right to intercept the runway heading and the signal, glide slope signal for our ILS. Let's put it on now. Approach mode button is on. Reduce the speed of 190. And that's it. Waiting to activate our glide slope. Once more, the radio signal received already by our FMC, and the landing details are already appeared on our FMC. It means we are almost ready to and prepare to land. Here we are. All right, 18 nautical miles, Changi, Singapore International Airport. Flight level 2000 feet. Speed 190, flaps 10. Approach mode button is on. Radar mode for approach is used already at 10 miles range. 50 nautical miles, Changi International Airport already line of sight, runway on sight. Nautical miles, landing gear down, nice, there you are. Landing gear is down and flaps
500.
15. Speed 190. Eight nautical miles.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, you are 9 miles northeast of Singapore. Contact Singapore Tower on 1 tree for decimal tree 5 when inbound.
Tower on 1 tree for decimal tree 5 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Airbus 705 contact ground on 121.0.
Singapore Tower Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy 7 miles northeast inbound for DME runway 20 center approach.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Glide
Heavy
slope
Singapore
and
Tower. Altimeter 29er decimal
localizer
3 with
activated
140
already
at
in
7.
place.
Clear to the
We are
DME runway
prepared.
20 center approach.
Another airliner
Philippine
is
Delta
on
Foxtrot Tango
clear to land. We are
0419er
clear
Heavy.
to
Follow
land,
the
but
aircraft on final.
aircraft is
Wind
there.
140 at 7. Clear to land runway 20
Our
center.
aircraft is there. Landing.
Clear to land runway 20 center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Airbus 705.
3 nautical miles, flaps at 28.
1,000.
All right. 2 nautical miles, full flaps, 30 degrees. Auto throttle off. 400. 300. 200.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
And
0419er Heavy, go around.
I cannot go around.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Yes.
Scooter 481 Heavy, go around.
Reverse engine,
Going
spoiler
around,
up,
Scooter
speed
481
brake activated.
Scooter 481 481 heavy contact. Singapore approach on 119.3.
Proceed. Speed brake off.
Going
Proceed
to
to the nearest
119.3.
runway.
481 heavy.
Flaps to 0. Flaps 10. Exiting the nearest exit, runway exit. Okay, I'm clear on the runway. Alright. Brake. Brake, 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 brake. Alright. Singapore ground request taxi to gate.
Singapore ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy taxi to the gate.
Okay.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
What a
0419 heavy taxi
confusing,
to gate 107 using taxiway Echo 6 Sierra Charlie 2 Lima 6 Sierra Charlie 1 Echo Papa Romeo Tree.
confusing what you call the runway landing because of a lot of aircraft is there. But anyway, we've done it perfectly. So thank you for all of you. Thank you, Lord.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Yeah.
heavy acknowledge last transmission.
Acknowledging.
Taxiing to gate 107 via taxiway Echo 6 Sierra Charlie 2 Lima 6 Sierra Charlie 1 Echo Papa Romeo Tree Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
but engine 2 and 1 and 4 off, 2 and 3 off. So that's it. Let's connect. Request the jetway connection.
Singapore ground,
Yes.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please disconnect the jetway from the aircraft?
Oh, disconnect? No, not disconnect. Okay, power supply.
Singapore ground, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please send a ground power unit?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. A ground power unit is on the road.
Jetway connection.
Singapore ground, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please connect the jetway to the aircraft?
Philippine
Changi.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. The jetway is going to be connected.
Jetway to be connected. And the power supply, baggage services.
Singapore ground, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please send the
Alright.
baggage?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy baggage is on the way.
Baggage is on the way, and catering service.
Singapore ground, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please send the catering truck?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. The catering truck is on the road.
And of course the fuel
Singapore
supply.
ground, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. Could you please send a fuel truck?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy. A fuel truck is on the road.
That's it. Ground services it will be done by itself. So meanwhile, put off our engine light,
Singapore ground, Scooter
I
452
mean
requesting
aircraft lights,
pushback. Scooter
and
452 pushback request
to clear
accepted.
ourselves. Thank you very much and welcome to Changi International Airport. As I'll be with you on our next flight. We'll have the from Singapore to New York or Singapore to Frankfurt, Germany. Let's do it. Thank you and goodbye. See you then. Thank you for watching. I appreciate so much.